Well, I'll say that was a chore. My allergies drive me crazy today. Frick's sakes. Yeah, that was definitely a chore. But what I should have done, I should have made cuts where it was going around this radius. As I was beating it down and stuff, it just knocked it down. But that's good enough for me. So yeah, going around the radius is, if you put cuts, it'll fold down a lot easier. So I knew that. I just figured I could just manhandle it down, and well, I did, but looks like crap. But I cut that off, got that all welded to the support. I have to grind that down though, because that's going to be flush. There's a bracket that goes on top of that, and bolts there and there. Bolt goes through there, threads in there. Hey, Roms. But yeah, that was quite a chore, that one. I started at I think it was 10 o'clock I started, and here it is 2:30. I just finished it. By the time you cut the piece and measure it up, cut it a few times. And I shouldn't have cut that quite as thin. That's no problem. I just put a little piece in there and close it up. But yeah, it's coming together. But unfortunately, as I was beating on this all came apart. So I'm gonna have to get another project. Cheers.